Skycab is located at the oldest part of Southeast Asia and the first to emerge from the ancient sea and estuary. Hovering over jungle and climbing over 550 million years of old rock, Skycab gives you more than unique experience. The base station is conveniently located at the foothill of the Machinkang mountain. From here, visitors will be taken up to the cool and windy Machinkang mountain via the cable car system. An intermediate cable car station on the eastern ridges provides the much desired access to the eastern cliffs with its 3 vertical chimneys and the beautiful 360-degree views. The journey from the base station to the middle station will cover 1,700 meters in distance, and upon reaching the middle station at the elevation of 650 meters above the sea level, visitors will be able to alight and walk up to the viewing platforms. Visitors can enjoy the panoramic view of the main island as well as the many surrounding islands. Sky bridge measuring at 125 meters in length, the structure ranks among the world's longest curved suspension bridge, and constructing it was not easy feat as the solutions had to factor the following critical elements such as structural balancing from a single point, optimal weight management and load distribution, prefabrication of the bridge and site installation. The entire bridge, in all its element, had to be lifted to the top of the mountain by helicopter, and was later assembled to its current position. Langkawi 3D Art Museum is the largest in Malaysia and among the largest in the world. Located within the vicinity of Oriental Village, with 21,000 square feet of build-up, it features more than 100 3D interactive paintings, artistically painted by a group of talented international artists. There are 9 different theme zones that you will truly enjoy. The different zones include Aquarium Zone, Safari Zone, Fantasy Zone, Optic Illusion Zone, Classic Zone, Main Hall Zone, Interactive Zone 1, Interactive Zone 2 and Glow in Dark Zone. Skydome can accommodate maximum of 50 packs with approximately 10 minutes showcase. Equipped with 12 projectors, Skydome offers 360 degrees of 3D image projections which easily covered your field of view.